Well, our meteorologist, David Yeomans, has also done hurricane research. Tonight, he's taking an in-depth look at just what makes this storm so dangerous. David?
Yeah, thanks, Jim. History is being written as we speak tonight as this situation continues to unfold in the Northeast. And while the wind speed only makes Sandy a Category 1 storm, the enormous size of the wind field actually makes the flooding potential even more dangerous than any hurricane that has ever hit the U.S., including Hurricane Katrina. This evening, as Jim said, Hurricane Sandy is still maintaining 90-mile-per-hour winds, but what's truly amazing is that tropical storm force winds extend nearly 1,000 miles in diameter, impacting an area from North Carolina all the way to Maine. As this storm makes landfall this evening along the coast of New Jersey, here are the impacts the Northeast is expecting. Rain of 8 to 12 inches, with some areas seeing more than a foot. Storm surge, which is the rise in the sea level of 4 to 8 feet across a broad area of the coast, with New York seeing even up to 12 feet of storm surge. This would likely cause some flooding of the subway system there. And lastly, something you don't see often with a hurricane: snow. 2 to 3 feet of the white stuff in some parts of the Appalachians. Now, Hurricane Sandy's size is not the only unusual thing about it. To have such a strong storm so far north is also very rare, and as it turns out, it may actually have a connection to the changing climate.
We're seeing temperatures off of the Northeast coast this late summer and fall are 3, 4, even 5 degrees warmer than normal. Means that if a hurricane comes up here, which it has, that it's able to survive.
We'll continue to bring you updates from the First Warning Weather Center, and you can always track Hurricane Sandy's status from your own home using the Tropical Tracker tool on KXAN.com.